Hello and welcome to Gold and Silver Assets. It's Sunday the 3rd of November 2019. I think the gold price is going to break out next week and I think we're going to see some significant moves. And so today I'm going to explain why I think this. So we'll start with the US dollar gold price on the daily scale. And a lot of people have been talking about this potential bull flag. I'm not convinced that this is the pattern that's forming. This price action over here has been quite weak. You'd expect a bit of a stronger breakout from this price here. So what else could be going on? This is quite difficult to disentangle because we've got this quite random sideways movement. Another potential pattern that could be forming is this ascending triangle. If this is the case, then we'd expect to see a breakout around 60% of the way along the triangle, and that will bring us to late next week. If this is the case, then we don't know which direction the breakout is going to be, so we're going to have to watch price very closely towards the end of the week here. If we're looking at a downwards breakout, then that would give us a target of around the 1425 US dollar mark. But of course, we don't know which direction this is going to be. But is this actually what's going on? We still can't discern what's going on with this sideways price action. And so sometimes I think it's useful to look at the gold price in foreign currencies. So looking at the Australian dollar gold price, we've got an interesting pattern here. This is a descending triangle that seems to be forming, and so the price action is much clearer than it is in the US dollar. Right now we're bang in the middle of that triangle, so we don't know which direction it's going to break out. And again, if we look at the duration of this triangle, we would expect a breakout around late next week or early the following week. And we also see a symmetrical triangle in the gold Chinese yuan price. So again, a breakout is due. We're getting close to the edge of that triangle. And all of these triangles, if they do break out downwards, the support area further below also fits with the price targets. But of course, as I said earlier, we don't know which direction the breakout is going to be. So we're going to have to watch these trend lines for these currencies to determine the move. But because of the duration of the consolidation, we would expect a pretty decisive move to occur. So it's going to be an interesting time coming up. Talking about the price of gold in other currencies, I've got another video that I previously recorded which also goes into some other reasons why it's very useful to look at gold in currencies other than the US dollar. Right, thanks for listening and we'll see you next week.